We want to start off by taking one balloon, a 260, and blowing it up to 18 inches or 45 centimeters. This is really important to get this exact measurement because there's 19 twists on this unicorn and we need to finish right up here. If you noticed on the chart, all of the balls are going to be about 1.5 centimeters. That's his tail. Do another one and turn it into a pinch twist. Now 2 legs are going to be the 5 centimeter. They're going to look very small. This body in general is going to look very small to you until we are all done. Now a 6 centimeter body and 2 more 5 centimeter legs. Twist those together. Now let's do one more ball, same size as all the others, and turn that into a pinch twist as well. Roll your balloon up top, and this is what you should have so far. Now it looks like there's an awful lot of balloon left. I'm sure you can see that with a lot of tail. You are going to use every bit of it. So if this is what your balloon looks like, you are on track. We're going to do another chamber, same size as the body, 6 centimeters. And then 2 more small balls. Twist those together. That will come apart easily, but in a moment, you're going to sort of tie them in. So let's do another 5 centimeter chamber. This is going to be for the head. Same color, or same size, I'm sorry, as the legs. Then we want to roll this balloon. Keep holding down with your thumb as you do it. You see how I'm rolling that down? Until you get right up to the top of his head. Then roll through those 2 balloons that you just twisted together. Okay? Keep going around till you've done it. Okay. Now we got his head upside down here for some reason. I'm going to turn that around. Now we're going to roll this, continue down until we're under here again. Okay, so you have rolled all the way up, nice and tight, into the ears. You won't be able to see that once you turn it in. Into the ears. And now we are going to start and we are going to make his mane. So we need 3 balls, same size again. Now I would take this and I would roll it through under his body. Now 3 more. Now this is where we want to start watching the end. Okay, I've got 3 more balls to do, and then I have a horn. So I actually have a fair bit of tail left on this one. So what we want to do in the next 3 balls, we want to make sure we get all the air pushed right up to the top, okay? So we're going to kind of make these balls really soft. You see how I'm kind of like using up some extra air there? You twist it a little extra too. Another one. And the third one, we're going to get all the way up there. Now what you're going to find, what I just found, is that when you do balloons in different colors, even though they should not be different sizes, they are. I don't know why, but they are. I did this with the white balloon and the blue balloon, and I'm telling you, it gave me a horn about that big. So we wind that around a couple of times. Now let's hide that. Put his ears on either side of that horn with the horn forwards. A little fiddly, but you see how I've done that with the horn? So that's going to hold all that in place. Okay, now that's showing for some reason, probably because I did it loose. I'm just going to take that and put it around once more, because nobody says you can't. Then pull these together. They don't need to be precisely together. Straighten out the head. Look at that nice big horn. That's fantastic. Make sure the pinch twist is at the front, and straighten the legs. Straighten his back legs, so that they're all, and you have the unicorn. Now you could do any type of eye that you like. Personally, I like doing a simple one on this because it's already kind of so nice and beautiful. It doesn't need much for drawing. So I just like to do a nice little eye, like a closed eye with some eyelashes. Now you could do any type of eye that you want. If there's something that you like or you're really good at drawing, you feel free to change that up however you like. And in the end, you are left with a beautiful, beautiful unicorn. This is exceptionally popular. I would practice it a lot before you put it on your list, because it is very difficult to get all of these twists in the right proportions so that you end right at the top. Usually you'll either end up way too much left over or not enough. So practice and practice, and then use that little technique near the end. If you really notice you have a lot left when you start the balls, start reducing the air in the first ones as well. You can't tell the difference where I've reduced the air and where I haven't. So it's not going to make a difference to your design. You just want to be able to get a nice horn. This is also very sturdy. The kids can come and shake them and pull them and try to twist them, and they should stay together beautifully. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and we will see you back in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate your time. Please let me know in the comments below which tutorials you would like to see next. I hope that you have a wonderful day.